Okay. Well, hello. Lee Trevathan here with my silly cameraman,
Yeah.
my goofball husband. But anyway, what are you, 12? So on to bigger and better things. I put in one of my videos, and you guys know I love to do chemical peels. I've been doing them like 30 years plus, I guess, and I love them. When I do my chemical peels at home, I usually do a Jessner peel, and that's always been my favorite one. And the thing about it that I really like is because I get really fresh new skin. And I think that's why most people do them. However, I'm getting really busy these days. I'm busier at 63 than I was when I ran two businesses in my 30s, so figure that one out. Anyway, freedom is wonderful, but you do pack it up pretty quick. So I decided to try an experiment. I found, and I told you about this before, Studio 35 Beauty. This is a Alphahydroxy face cream that people are raving about, and I really get why. I was kind of, can you see it? There it is. I'll put a link to it below. And really, the link that I'll give you is only if you can't find it in your local Walgreens. That's actually the carrier, and they're usually on the bottom shelf. Thank goodness, because it keeps the price down. It's about $10 usually, between $8 and $10. So I did an experiment where I tried using this every morning for 3 days and every night for 3 days. Guess what? I got exactly the same effect as if I did a chemical peel. So if you look at my skin really close today, you'll see some really nice fresh new skin there. And if you look down here, you'll see some peeling. Honey, am I appealing?
You're appealing.
So I just want to say, in a pinch, this is a really great way to go. I'm really liking it. I think it's very cool. In fact, I'm going to keep doing it. So today is Sunday. I'm going to be, probably last night, tonight will be the one that I do with that, because I don't want to overdo it, and I do want to get the peeling stopped. So for the last 3 days, my face has been peeling. I was like having coffee with my husband the other morning, and I'm like, I went like this. Yeah, good thing it didn't get in my coffee. I had this blob of skin come off on my hand. So I just wanted to let you know that that's something you can do, and it might work for you. Now I do have to say, when my daughter tried the Studio 35, and my daughter's in her 30s, she didn't do well with this. And I tried to figure out now why did she have an issue with this? What happened to her is that it kind of made her break out. And I was thinking about it, it's like, well, what would that be? And then I realized my daughter does not do chemical peels. I don't think I've ever known her to do one. And I don't think, other than trying this product, she probably does AHAs, Alphahydroxy. So I think what it does is it starts to purge your skin of anything that's in there that it doesn't want you to have in there, because it's taking off the layers and it's exposing that bacteria that's kind of hidden down in there. And I think that's it. So if you do try it and you find that you're maybe having a few issues, you know, it just might be because your skin's not really used to it. Now, I don't have any issues with it at all. It works beautifully for me. It's minimizing pores. It's like the whole bit is working great. And I'm also doing it with my Matrixyl 3000 that I told you about, that I really like, from Asterwood Naturals. So I'm kind of combining those things. So I am getting some pretty heavy peeling, because the vitamin C in that also makes for some peeling. So if my skin looks a little older, a little creepier and crinkly and horrifying today, it's because I'm very appealing. So I had someone ask me on my last video, they noticed I was using a different lipstick. It's not one that you like, is it? You don't like the reds, do you?
Not so much.
Not so much. I do. I don't like a super bright red, because I look like Bowser the Clown. But I just wanted to let you know, the one that I'm using is from Wet n Wild. Believe it or not, Wet n Wild. It's a really cheap lipstick and it's so nice. The color is dark wine. So I can do this sort of reddish burgundy. Oh, let's see if I can get that. I don't know if you can see that very well. I can do that better than I can do like a really bright red, what I call a fire engine red. I got this for $1 at the dollar store. Yeah, at my regular local dollar store. So I picked up 2 of them. They go on very luscious. They're not dry. They don't dry my lips at all. I do have lip venom underneath this just because I was plumping my lips up a little bit today. I've been doing my derma rolling and it's really helpful to get my lips to get a little plumper because they have kind of lost volume as I've gotten older. They used to be really thick and plump, and I don't have that anymore. So I'm working on it. So that's the lipstick. So I'll put a link down below on that too. Honey, I'm running out of places. There you go. Okay, so I did want to mention a little cool tool, and I will be doing a video on cool tools. This is a little thing I got off Amazon, and who inspired me on this was Trini. Hi, Trini. She does a little roller thing on her face, and I was watching her do it one day, and I was thinking, you know what, that's kind of cool for just getting blood circulation into your skin. And I've been noticing that by using this little, it looks like I should have it as a garden tool or something for aerating the soil. It doesn't have any spiky stuff on it. It's totally smooth. But I have been using this in this area down here. Get my hair caught in there. And I've been doing this, kind of like how I do my derma rolling, really. And then underneath here, and on my little area here. And remember on this little area here, don't ever go too intense and go like this more than you go up and down. I had to have thyroid surgery, so I'm careful there. Da, da, da. And I do this while I'm watching TV at night. Da, 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 da. And guess what? I'm noticing some changes. I'm getting less droop. What is it called? Jowls? See my jowls? 63. Yeah, there we go. So I just wanted to tell you about that little tool. Very cool little tool. Okay. As I'm peeling, I am using my old standby that I always tell you guys about. I use this at night after I wash my face and do all my stuff. I do this, and then at the end, then I do kind of get my moisturizers and stuff in there really fast. And I do use this before I put this on. So okay. You can also use that after you have all your moisturizers and your serums and stuff on to kind of get it in there even more. But it does help get blood flow up. So I'll put the link down below for this. Most of you know I love this. I buy it in a big bulk pack of 12. All right, another thing I'm trying that I'm really kind of cracking up about, because I left home when I was 15, and I left my home in this little sort of backwater town in Missouri. And I went to my mother's house in California. Now, my mother didn't really know me, and I didn't really know her. But she was sort of a beauty diva. She liked really taking care of herself. She always kind of was to the nines, you know. And here's what she used to use and just rave about all the time. This big tub, oh, I think getting a light there. This big tub of Nivea cream. Sounds really simple, but it's really, really great. I have PTSD and I have severe nightmares once in a while. And one of my big nightmares that is an ongoing nightmare is that someone's trying to suffocate me. And there's a reason that I won't go into for that. But apparently in my sleep the other night, I was trying to get the pillow in my dream off my face and was fighting to get it off. And I was like tearing this way to get it off, and I tore up my neck with my fingernails. I started putting this on, and oh my goodness, it's so soothing. And I also started to try it. You know this part of our hand right here as we get older that gets like creepy, yucky? particularly right there. I don't know why right there. I guess because we've lost a lot of our fat in that area. Yeah, I used it for 2 nights and yeah, they're gone. I don't know if you can see that. My crinklies are gone. So I just wanted to let you know about that. Again, I'll put a link down below. If you can't get it locally, I'll have a link there where you can get it. And let's see, the last one. And I'm gonna need glasses. Hey, honey, my glasses match my... I didn't even know I did that. How fun. This is something I'm trying. Skin Nutritions from New York with green tea extract, vitamin B3, and vitamin C. This is for dark circles under your eyes, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Dermatologists develop won't clog pores. And guess what? Yeah, I'll get this out of the package for you. Got 2 of these as well. Dollar store. Honey, can I say a bad word? I can't say a bad word. Can I say it in jest? In jest? Okay, so don't take me seriously, guys. I think I'm a dollar store whore. I think I might be. So here's what it looks like. It's just this little dippity-doo thing. It has this little roller ball on the end. It's a little heavy, so it tells me it's very full of product. And you just roll this under your eyes. And it's very soothing. I'm liking it a lot. So there's the box. Here's the product. Dollar store. Bought 2. Maybe I do have a problem. I like the dollar store.